First of all, we are very satisfied, happy to be here in Shillong for the first time with the national team.
We never thought there will be such a nice practice field and a stadium like this, but it is very nice and we hope for a good match here.
Habai keren beginang patai kubor hadian kejungwan ni kendo u eti mandal u presiden ke FKJGP u bak dandi si kongsit ulong bagi ladan si spak lai pau teligi kam ki bateli ha ka kerdan assistant executive engineer bat si spak arpsan teli pat ki kam ki balaj ha ka kerdan junior engineer bat kiladawan u menteri sarkar ban pendap no ki kam ki balaj teli balad sarkar jela ka sngap jar bat kam shi meginu senjam ban pendap ikini kam ki balaj teli kan kata ajur ki samlag banang lastat bani okam yo jam bat kat kum gijing te beli olum dagaseng kini ki kam kilalak telina do kasnam ar hajar kat pra ulong ba kaseng kam shimlayo ekanu kono gijing kular ru menteri sarkar ndo la pentepat chpang gijing long jingman jang ke MEECL ba kasneu bha namar gijing olum ka khajna kalong ka beduna hendrai ka jing do onang pat ke jurba bat kum tak ke bagi olum kam la satya ban pendap ya gijing dan kam jongki uba dan di kongsit ulong ba kile ujung tip ba hakin ki kam ki balak teli la jutung kam da ka kontrak ba kaseng kam snotanat bak sarkar kan tung kam ki samla da ka kontrak namar kan kata ajur bha ya kalawai jong ki samla ki blanang lastat ulong ba ka FKJGP ka ka jing start jong sarkar jela ban tung kam ki samla ki blanang lastat hakin ki kam ki balak balada ka sarkar jela kam le ne ka sngap jar kum ta kaseng FKJGP kan sa syong perkat ban chim nak di wei pat kesenjam halor kan kaman
kadai halor kini ki sanction post mo kaba kani ka department kadan kata habade bakalian kini ki post assistant executive engineer but assistant engineer kidan kamba shi spark la hotli ki sanction post te nangta bat kini ki post GE ru kidan shi spark absently te menta kini ki sanction post kila along vacant almost kamba south sansenam kat kum ka information bangi yo bangi te ngiwan ni kenu yu ban pan ki penchai ba balik ka penslam ban fill up yakini ki post and kini ki vacant post mo ya kaba kila nomor bakat kong gi tip yakini ki sanction post kebetulan vacant menta kalau mostly 33% kendai naki promotion bagi yo hi naki bri berak tre poka MCL but the rest sekatu pat ki ban cut advertise ban fill ini ki post te kuma ngitip hi benta kila bun ki hajar ngot ki khana samna ke jongi ki ba la pendap yakini jing puli kum ka diploma engineering na BE engineering te ladaka dan ke jing Islam na kalian ka MCL ban fill ini ki post ban recruit ini ki post kalong kadi ke jingdu bakhra ti samla kan kham tam ru ya kan ka age ru ma kadi ka wai ti kali no ngi wan hang ngi wan man kali bat ki kendus non yo uru ba na kalyang jong ka MCL ba kadai ban cut recruitment mardor no ya ki sanction post ngi mau makin create post mai dai ka ngi ki post ka ba don lupa nama ko bagi iru ha advertisement ngi ba ki cut manta ban recruit ki cut on contractual basis te kalau ngajing sen apa ki post vacant ki dan boleh cut on contractual te kata ke bang ekran kan te nakaliang jong minister te pau shibun jiki bang bakam kalong mentah he ka MCL kalong in a very bad shape namar shibun ke hap and siu ke liabilities ne tai tengi tegi bu ke start ng department baki tu ki post ke bladan omle ban pendam ya gitu jadi di ben cut model ban recruit model ki kena nang taru koran ka office order jong arjar apulai ban restructuring ya ka MECL ya ka bidang kami ini ki computer engineer ini kita iru te kan iru adu menta kadang long remain vacant hi te ya kini la ekran batu te nakaliang jong tu bang sa cut ka meeting bat ki officer ka MECL bat muspentip show CM ru ban le komno ya kini ki sanction post ban pendap kini te ka message hi ka ba nakaliang ka seng hi ngi ai syak sarkar ling bau minister ba naishim sting ini kam phidi ban mardor phidi ban pendap ini ke jingdawa ka jongi khnang kan jingmentoy kan long nam ta bubun balang ki khana samna ka jongi bat da ka sarkar kalong kuman gimdan sudah welti nrai pan ngap nyap syahmat ya ka bangin saisong ke kita sinjam bangin sim.
And as an organization, we require also all vacant posts should be filled up. As of now, we are having a lot of financial problems and all these things. Due to that, we are not going ahead immediately. But recently, we have advertised some posts also. Regular appointment will be done as and when financially MECL is sound. That has been priced to them. Yeah, as of now, we have advertised for field engineer, electrical, mechanical, and civil. Okay. Here, field engineers for electrical and mechanical 57 numbers, field engineers for civil 10 numbers, and field supervisors for electrical and mechanical 54 numbers, and for civil 10 numbers. So total is 67 plus 67 for engineers, and for supervisors it is 64.
You know, famous for their love for the sport. So we're really happy that we got the opportunity now as a national team to come here. We are excited, looking forward to the turnaround of the people, and let's win the 2 games together as a nation.
Thank you Meghalaya government for providing such an amazing facility.